The photo may be blurry of the victims pictured hours before the attack, but it was clear to the jury. Gary Spoor and Wendy Wood's son-in-law ambushed and shot them in their Lake Tahoe home.
I'll pay $20,000 to have them killed. I hate them. They're wealthy pieces. I'm going to kill them one day.
That's the first statement the 10-woman, two-man jury heard from the lead prosecutor to begin the murder trial May 19th. Jurors saw videos and photos of the couple with their grandchildren, daughter Erin Spoor, and the shooter's young sons, as they all enjoyed time on the victim's boat.
This was about 2 hours before Gary would be executed with a bullet to the back of the head, and Wendy would sustain what would have been fatal injuries.
Wood ended up taking her own life 2 years later. Testimony revealed the bullets still in her neck and head.
There's a murderer in this room.
Assistant Chief Deputy District Attorney Rick Miller laid out the case against 51-year-old Dan Serafini for 6 weeks, saying the former Major League Baseball pitcher planned the shootings, knowing his family would be on the boat when he would sneak into the empty home through the garage. Serafini hides for hours, prosecutors say, possibly in a closet under the stairs.
At 8:51 p.m. real time, this happens.
And 4 minutes later, the camera captures Serafini again, this time leaving and jogging out of view. Erin Spoor testified that's not her husband in the video, insisting he doesn't walk that way. And the defense said he was too tall to be that person. The jury didn't buy it. Do you think that was him in the video?
Me personally, I do. I do think it was. They noted the walk so many times a day, so it was just frame by frame going through each video, pausing, comparing body types, and heck, comparing shoes.
We, the jury, in the above entitled action, find the defendant, Daniel Joseph Serafini, guilty.
The victim's other daughter, Adrienne Spoor, relieved justice finally arrived for her parents.
I want to thank the members of the jury for seeing what the truth is in this case.
Michelle Bandor, KCRA 3 News.
Serafini spent 15 years playing for 6 major league teams, including the San Diego Padres. He retired in 2007, and he now faces life in prison, and he learns his sentence in August. You can read more about the trial and the case on the KCRA 3 app, and make sure to turn on breaking news alerts to be notified when the sentencing happens.